Guys, today we're going to be building a secret room. Sorry if I don't do the intro, so I'm sorry. I messed up. Oh, yeah. Bro, why do I keep breaking it? Yeah, bro. Let's go do it. I'm a lock in, bro. Guys, I'm not going to speak when I'm locked in. I'm not speaking. Goodbye, guys. Guys, I'm back and I'm not locked in, but I'm still doing it. Bro, that was so cool of me. That was so cool of me, bro. Bro. That was so cool. It was so cool, bro. Guys, what do you think of my video? Please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 100 by the end of the year. So guys, yes, please subscribe, okay? Okay. Subscribe, guys. I'm serious. I'm trying to reach 100 by the end of the year, seriously. But guys, I'm doing my best to record this. I'm climbing up the ladder, but I didn't mean to. And going there. Bro, what did I just find there? Breaking that. Wait, guys, I think I found going to mine straight. Guys, bro, when I accidentally found, when I'm mining straight and I accidentally found a warden in survival mode, I'm literally going to freak out, but it's not happening because I'm in creative. Got to check my inventory, guys. Okay, nothing. I got my elytra, got mine already. I'm going to get some night vision, of course. Guys, you already know I love me night visions. You know why? Bro, it helps me see in the dark. That's why it's called night vision. And I just drank one. So, guys, this video is going to be crazy. So, guys, it's going to be crazy the entire video. You know what? I'm not going to ruin the surprise, guys. Just keep watching so you can see the surprise. But all I gotta say, we're going to be flying an elytra today with a goal. So guys, keep watching so you can see it. Okay, guys, and I will also do a part 2 of this because in my latest video I kinda said I'll do a part 2, but I kinda lost that map, bro. My mom told me to help her with something, and then I forgot I was flying an elytra, and then I flew straight, and then bro, I wasn't even watching, and I lost my freaking world, bro. Guys, sorry if I'm just crashing out. Bro, I just want to get the tutorial back. I worked very hard for it. So guys, I hope this world makes me happy. Let's go, guys. Let's do it. Guys, okay. I'm going to lock in. This is lock in mode. Oh. No, bro, that was not lock in mode. Guys, we're going lock in mode for seriously. Yo guys, I'm not going to speak because I'm going to lock in for the next of the video, okay? Guys, I choked. Sorry about the sounds. I choked, bro. I choked, bro. I literally choked on my own tongue. I was literally trying to do tongue tricks, and then I choked to my own tongue, bro. Like, seriously, how could you even do that, Joe? You have to be a dumb person to do that. Like, seriously, bro. Bro, I just hate my life. Okay, bro, I don't actually hate my life. Bro, guys, this is actually cool, bro. Minecraft is actually cool, but not better than Roblox. So, guys, I'm not going to do Roblox episode because wait guys, let's talk about that later. I found the cave. Bro, is that a dropper level? Bro, that is a dropper level. But okay guys, I'm gonna tell you the story of why I almost quit Roblox. So guys, my cousin kinda told me to log off because I need a new account. Sorry about that cough. But yeah, that's true. And then I'm kinda noob at Roblox, so I don't kinda know how to take off shorts. So I don't know how to take that off. So I left, and I thought it would be no problem to log out, but seriously, bro. My favorite game. I grinded a lot. I forgot I have so many OP stuffs in that, bro. So, bro, I almost quit Roblox. That was so hard to experience, guys. By the way, did you experience that? And hopefully you don't have to go to that through, guys. But I'm trying my hardest to film my video. So can you guys just please subscribe. Just please, guys. Just please. Okay, guys, you guys are going to subscribe. Okay, bet. Thank you guys for subscribing. For subscribing. For subscribing. For subscribing. For subscribing, guys. Thank you. Sorry about the cough, guys. Bro, guys. Did you know why I keep coughing? If today, bro, I'm going to fight zombies. That zombie is annoying. I didn't even know it was daytime because I had night vision. I forgot it was the sunrise. Bro, I just love Minecraft and Roblox. Bro, I just want to play both games at the same time, but I don't have any time to do that, bro. I don't know how to talk, guys. Guys, seriously, I'ma go locking mode. Guys, that was my locked in voice. Guys, sorry about that cough. Actually, guys, I think I'm going to build an elytra stand somewhere far away. But first, I'm going to try to fly an elytra. Bro, that was so hard flying an elytra. Let's try from the tree. Yay, totally. Guys, by the way, don't try to do this in the real life. You're going to hurt yourself. I think everybody knows, but bro, little children, bro, the little Timmy Bobby Joes, I hate them. Like, seriously, guys. Bro, little Timmy Bobby Joes always for tricks of strangers, bro. They watch Cocomelon all day, and I might have watched Cocomelon yesterday, but guys, don't mind that. We're going to be flying an elytra. Guys, I just covered my mouth while I was coughing. Was that a talent or was that not? It was probably not. Sorry, guys. But anyways, lock in mode. Lock in mode, bro. Lock in lock. Guys, should I build a lighter stand? Okay, fine, I will. I'm building it. I don't know why I'm down. Oh yeah, because I have that elytra. Yeah, I'll just do that. I'll just like, I'm in creative mode. You seriously think I'm in survival, bro? That's why I don't take any damage. So guys, it still didn't hurt. Guys, I see high enough. Okay, I think that's high enough. Bro, guys, I'm flying. Bro, guys, this is so awesome for me. For you guys, this might be just a little bit, but this is so awesome for me, bro. Guys, I think this is my 10th time ever flying an elytra. I don't know, but flying an elytra for me is so special, guys. Bro, I don't know anything about Minecraft. I don't know how to slash teleport, bro. I just don't know everything. Bro, guys, I thought there was an Enderman. It was just black fireworks. Guys, that was the surprise. Wait, no, guys. We're actually doing it right now. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the surprise. We're going to build an elytra stand where I'm going to land when I'm done doing the elytra. Yeah, guys, you heard me right. We're going to do that. By the way, guys, this is going to take a long time. I went AFK, but you know, guys, why I'm not really talking the right way in this video. Oh, that's because I'm editing. I'm not talking while I'm recording this. I'm just editing this. So you guys think, bro, I can talk and record? That will be not Latin. That will be negative aura. Editing is plus 1000 aura, bro. Why am I speaking CBD Sigma Tax Rizzler, bro? I'm just a YouTuber, bro. I don't need to say brainrot. Bro, I don't know why my cousin just loves brainrot so much. But guys, next time I post a video, it's going to be a Roblox video. So be tuned, guys. Be ready for my next video. By the way, it's going to be tomorrow, guys. So watch out for my videos. Guys, it might be banger, but it might be worse than the worst YouTuber's video. Oh no, bro, guys. Bro, did I just go spectator mode? For a second, bro, it was wrong. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Sorry. I don't know how to speak, guys. Guys, can you please come over to my house and teach me how to speak English? Because the only language I can speak is CBD Sigma language. That is the only language I can speak. So guys, we're going to try that. Oh guys, I'm flying. Bro guys, I actually did that first try. Bye guys.